This is and this is their height, Kawasaki, and this is a factory. All the robots is like saying, "Welcome to here. I am your waiter." Okay, guys. So I learned how to make this robot move, and now I will use this to make a high-low position. Hope you like this vlog in Kawasaki and. Right, almost arriving. I'm arriving. Look, this is the whole factory outside. It looks very big. Yeah. And yeah, there are some other companies factory. Today is hotter than yesterday. Hi everyone, I'm Slow. Today I'm taking a short course in Kawasaki factory. Do you know Kawasaki from Japan? And let me show you. This is and this is their height, Kawasaki, and this is a factory. Oh, there are so many samples, industrial robots samples, and some other factories thing. So follow me to have a look. Oh, this is the bottom of the basic bottom 底座 of this robot. This is BX big one, BX200A. Oh, there are many things. It shows how the BX200A robot will made together. 组装。是V9, and then put the arm, and the motors, and then it's still the motors together, and the arm, the 减速机 file put the how can I say, tool on the like this. This is a file tool, like if you need a 夹具, a hand, then you put a hand here. If you need other tools, then you put other tools here. Cool. Oh, this one is so crazy. He's going crazy and shouting. Because it's a Japan company, so there are Japanese. Big raining day. Well, there are so many factories in this company, so I'm just in one. All the robots is like saying, "Welcome to here. I am your waiter." Kawasaki, this name sounds so cute. Kawasaki. It's a It's a good company like Kuka and ABB, very famous in the robotic or in the industrial robots. Oh, there is a picture. There is a picture showing that its main robots history in. Look. First one is this, second one, third one. And it shows 1968. It had the cooperation with Ulimation from America. Oh, this is a robot for the cleaning, and this is a medical robot. This is for big loading. Oh, they also made a humanoid robot. I didn't know that before. Oh, and there are some workers. They are working. They are 组装 made. They are making this robot completely. Yeah, they wear the. Oh, there is. There are many tools for how to do it, like we normally say. This one is the biggest one. You can look. It's it shows that how many times you have tested it. Like use this, you know, there are two tools for suck some box or other things from this produce line. This is a product line. And then the product will dong 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 dong. Oh, there are some samples, product samples. Then we have a look. Oh, they made this another tool, 工装件儿 for the 工装家具. And then it can. Oh, it's so heavy. Biggest one. That's the driver. Okay, there one. You can say one, two, three. This three robots looks similar, but actually their function is very different. This one is for texting this sample. So there are 红外线 inside here, a camera and a 红外线, and it tests here. Then it will show the results here. Then it makes sure the product which you made in the factory is okay or not. And in the past time, normally it's human beings and the machine to check it. But now it's the automated machine robots check it. And this is look, there are many it can't open. There are many this one. Look, 螺丝 inside this box, and then the robot here. it will get this 螺丝 and then do it inside this circle. And this is like AlphaGo for playing this chess with you. La 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 la. Oh, this is a classroom for training. Now other partners, they are sleeping in this room. I'm also shocked that I'm the only girl. Oh my god. There are 15 people and all old mom. They are sleeping, so I can't speak louder. Hey guys, so I have finished the exam, and this is the teacher. He is so cool. Hi.
我这个我，
你看那是我，不好意思。He is so shy. He said you shouldn't shy in front of the camera, and now he become shy. I asked him to say hi to you, but he